Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Raju. So I'll be taking you through the process of how to design a form on WordPress, and we are going to be using Ninja form for this Ninja form. All right. So the first thing we need to do is I will come to our dashboard. This is my dashboard now. So we come to it, and after that, okay, click on plugins. Click on plugins and we'll click on add new. Now after clicking on add new, let's wait for it to load. Alright, so after clicking on add new, we'll see something like this, and on this search, on the keyword search plugins, so just search for Ninja form. Okay, so click on enter. Alright, so this is what we need. This is the form we need. Now on your own dashboard, like you see something like install now, and after you click on install, then you see activate, then you click on activate. But the reason why we are seeing updates now here is because I already have the form on my own dashboard. So now that's why it's showing me this. Alright, so let me go back to the form. So after activating it, you check this side, this left side of your screen. Now you check it and you see something like this Ninja form. Now when you click on it, you click on add new. You click on add new. Alright, so after clicking on add new, it will display like this to us. Then we click on blank form. We click on blank form. Click on blank form. Alright, so after clicking on the blank form, now this is where we start designing the form, how we want the form to look like. So now, okay, the first thing we need to do here is writing the name of the customer, writing the first the full name, full address, email address. Alright, so let's go straight to the point. Now click here. Now you can see immediately I left click this, it will display here. Now okay, so click here, then click on address, click on click on email address also. Okay, so we click on city/state, then okay we click on phone number, can add another phone number also. Then we click on select. Yes, we click on select button also. Alright, so after clicking on all these tools, now we'll come here, then we'll tap on this. We'll just tap on it. Now after tapping on it, it will display this to us. Then here, instead of writing first name, customers don't have time we asking for first name, second name, third name. No, just write full name, and then you make this required. Alright, so after that we come here, we click on it also. So can change this to full address. Alright, you can see full address. Then also, if possible, we can include this, including house number. That is, we want the full details of the customer's address. So including house number, then we make this active, required also. Now after that, okay, email address. So just tap on it also. Just click email address here. So no, okay, sorry, we don't make email address required. Simply because some customers don't really have email, so that it won't stop them from filling the form. Because if you should make it required, and if a particular customer doesn't have an email address, so definitely the form will be able to be approved, and it will be able to be submit. Now okay, so after that we come here, we can okay, let's put city/state. We want to know the city and the state customer, okay, is now. Alright, so after that, now phone number, okay, let's change this. Alright, phone number, we make phone number required, then we make city/state also required. Alright, so now this second number, now let's make it alternative number. alternative number. You don't make alternative number required, simply because some customers has just one phone number, so that it won't stop them from ordering your products. And then now the function for this alternative number is because now we want another number that we can call our customer on, so that in case we get to the delivery spot and probably the first number won't be available, so that we'll be able to have another number aside from the one that we put here. All right, so after that, okay, please select your campus. Let's say please select. All right, so this is where, under this label, so this is where the price of the products will be. So okay, let's say buy one, let's say buy one, let's say 5,000. Okay, so here now let's say buy two, 9,000. All right, so here let's say buy three, let's say 14,000. 14,000 naira. All right, so after that, now we click on done. Okay, not yet, we are not publishing yet. Now after that, okay, we need to make this required. Required field. Now after that, now this place, I want us to arrange this well, so that it won't just be scanty. We need to arrange it well. Now after full name, let the customer's phone number follows the customer phone number. So just click on you left click on this and you drag it up. Just left click and drag it up. Now you can see full name, phone number. Okay, let's say alternative number also. Left click, drag it up. Okay, alternative number. And so full address will be under this. Then after full address, city/states will be here. Then email address also will be there. All right, so after that, okay, let's click on done. And we can click on publish. Now form title. Now, so we need to write the name of the product here. So for the sake of this training, the name of this form will be sports watch. So click on publish. All right, so then we come to this email and actions. We click on it. Click on the email and actions. Okay, click on the success message. So we write the name of the product, which is sports watch. All right, so admin email. So this admin email is where we input our own email. That is the email we used to use to receive the form, or to receive the customer's details, customer's address. So here now, under the form actions, you write the name of the product here also, stopwatch. Then you include your own email here. So my email is Nigeria Shopping Mall 247 at gmail.com. Nigeria Shopping Mall 247 7 at gmail.com. All right, so subjects, yes, we can also include, let's put the name of the product also, sports watch. Click on done. After that, store submission. Okay, store to submission, the name of the product will be there also. All right, so now let's click on done. After clicking on done, now we see this positive sign. Now let's click on it. Now what we need there is, we need this you need redirects. That is, after our customer has filled the form, we want them to be redirected to our thank you page. Now, so on this action name, so what we need to do here is, okay, let's put the name of the product, also the name of the product, then also here this URL. So we need to copy our thank you page. We need to copy our thank you page URL and paste it here. All right, so let me go and get the thank you page URL for this. Okay, thank you page URL. All right, okay, thank you page. Okay, so let me copy this and paste it here. All right, so just click on save. I'll click on publish. Okay, so after clicking on publish, now let's preview the form. Let's see how the form now looks like. Let's preview it. Okay, you can see sports watch, full name, phone number, alternative number, full address, city/state, email address. Please select. Now, okay, this one we need to change it, though it's not compulsory though, but sometimes it's actually necessary for us to change it to, instead of just submit, we can use please. We can use start my order now. All right, so let's go back to form field. Then let's click on submit. Let's click on it now. So here we just put start my order. Okay, start my order. Now after that, so we click on done and we republish the form also. So all right, so after that, then we want to copy this form code. On our landing page. So we just come here, we click on this. Then now this is the form code. Just click on copy. Now after clicking on copy, then we go to our we go to our landing page. Now this is the landing page. We are working on. This is the landing page. So we come to this positive sign. Now that add elements. So after clicking on it, so we try to locate where custom HTML rather is. So just click on, we drag this to wherever we want our form to be displayed to. Now, so after that, now we can see that here that insert custom HTML into the page. So which means that the code we copied, so we are going to paste it here. We paste the code we copied here. So then we'll click on save. Now let's save our work. Okay, so after saving, all right, so we want to view this landing page. Together with this form. Let's see how it looks like. Now after that, so just click on this, so to display this to us. So click on save and preview. I want to preview the landing page. All right, so this is the landing page. Now this is the form. You can say sports watch, full name, phone number, blah blah blah, address. Now okay, let's try and fill one form so that we can see the thank you page. Okay, full name, and let's just try something for sake of time. Phone number, alternative number is not compulsory. Full address, okay, let's just try something. City/state, compulsory. Email address not compulsory. Please select. Okay, buy one. So start my order. All right, now you can see that after filling the form, it will direct your customer to this page, which is congratulations, your order has been received, your products will be shipped soon. So this is the thank you page. This is how our thank you page looks like. All right, so please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. This is the end of this module. Thank you.